So before this video gets started, if you're a gig worker and you want to make extra money, there's a new company called Fetti that's the future of jobs. All you have to do is enter your email below, answer a couple of questions, and within 2 minutes, they're gonna send you a list of high-paying jobs that you can do from anywhere in the country. And who knows, you could actually make a ton of money. And they're actually looking for gig workers specifically. So sign up, enter your email, link below, and let's get started with the video. How much money do you make as an Uber Black driver? You wanna read this?
Yeah, all about Uber Black driver requirements, pay potential, and how to start.
So if you want to start doing Uber Black and making 2, 3, 4, 5 times the amount of money, you make sure you want to read this article or watch this video. Sorry, go.
Yeah. So Uber Black and SUV are high-end services that offer an on-demand ride in a luxury SUV.
They're high-end, guys. High-end.
Yeah, like a G-Wagon.
Yeah, G-Wagon, Escalade, Mercedes, BMW.
Yeah.
Lincoln. There's a lot of Lincolns.
Yeah. Yeah, so Uber Black actually costs more than twice as much as UberX. So that's why some of the highest earning Uber drivers are actually Uber Black drivers.
Yeah.
But it's actually not as simple as buying the right car because Uber Black vehicles have to have commercial registration and insurance and meet state licensing requirements. So UberX and UberXL don't require that registration, so it's not as easy to become an Uber Black driver.
So it's not that easy to be an Uber Black driver. Sometimes, yeah, you got to get a whole freaking commercial registration.
Yeah.
It sucks.
And insurance.
Oh, no, they don't require? Oh, no.
No, UberX and UberXL.
Oh.
Uber Black does.
Well, that's stupid. Well, I mean, how much is that going to cost, though? $20?
No idea.
Look this up real quick. How much to get commercial registration? It's not even that much money. Yeah, $25 for plates, $50 for your certificate. Oh, that's nothing. Okay, it's not that big of a deal. Commercial insurance? I don't think this is that much more, actually.
Okay.
What you gotta do, guys, what you gotta do. This is why you watch the show, okay? You get little hacks and tips and tricks and secrets. You gotta find somebody who's an insurance broker. Okay? You wanna go call up 10 different insurance companies, 20 different insurance companies yourself? Heck to the no, brother. Find one insurance broker who's going to do all that for you, and he's going to compare quotes across all the major insurance companies. Go find a local insurance broker, or if you have a local Facebook group in your area, go be like, hey, is anybody a car insurance broker? I'm sure somebody knows somebody who knows somebody. So,
yeah,
it's all possible. When there's a will,
there's a way.
There's a way. So go sign up to do Uber Black if you want. You'll figure out, yeah, you maybe want to buy a Jaguar XF.
Or a Tesla Model Y.
Yeah, or Model
S.
Or Model Y is actually not that expensive, especially by used one. You can do Uber Black with that.
And you save money by not paying for gas.
But you got to make sure you get a charger at home so you're not going to the supercharging station all the time.
Yeah.
And it's literally like easy to get that adapter. Like it's not hard at all. Who the heck keeps liking the chat? Guys, click the heart button on the chat so we can get those little emojis popping up. Click it right now. Oh, there we go.
Oh, thanks.
Do some funny ones. There we go. Let's see how many we can get. Let's do some. Yeah, make sure to thumbs up the video too, guys. Thumbs up the video. Let's try to get to what? 2,000 likes?
Yeah.
2,000 likes.
If we get 2,000, I'll jump in the pool.
You're going to jump in the pool right out there?
Yeah.
On stream?
Yeah.
All right, guys. 2,000 likes. Izzy's going to jump in the pool.